god.
Well, hopefully it blocks this side off. I don't think those T-bars are going to do much, though. They won't stop it.
Nah. Or the silt fence?
Yes.
Stuff that cable's not part of the blue sea can. Is that the communications for nobody comes from the blue sea can?
No. No, the communications cable is blue. I don't know what that is. Is there any wells over here?
No.
Well, it drops down right there.
I went to look over and just see like the trailer starting to get flooded.
That's what I was joking about when I was saying it. I'm surprised that all went.
Yeah. Oh, it's probably caught like around the bend over there.